Alright, going up. Let's see if I can park it. Now let's see if it'll fly back. There, it's going to fly backward. Oh, fly. Oh yeah, it's flying backwards. Yeah, it'll be over top of us for long. I remember one time I was out at Wright State University in their big parking lot, and I flew one of these and got away from me, and it ended up landing on Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. It was right inside the fence at their entrance there in Fairborn, across from that used to be the theater, and I stopped up the gate and told the guard, and he went over and got it and handed it over the fence.
Wow. Usually they'd scramble jets.
Yeah.
Anymore, you fly a drone close to the base and you'll get MPs knocking on your door.
Oh man, yeah, you don't want to do that. We used to fly out there at Wright State a lot, every Saturday, and the Wright State took the parking lot over, and they built a ball diamond not far from where we were flying, so we had to give it up. Come up here to fly. Oh, come on now. Come on, that was going a little bit too fast, wasn't it? Not like that Draco, it didn't fall off real fast.
It just floated right in, that Draco.
Yeah, it was amazing how that wind held that little thing back. This one here is not going, look at that. It ain't going to do it. I'll have to start way down there.
That was a lot like the Eaglet airplane tonight.
Yeah, this is the Goldberg Mirage, and the Biglet was the next one, and then they built, what else did they build
They got
along?
the Eagle, the Eaglet, the Eagle 40 or something like that?
Yeah. Come on now. Come on. Well, oh. I'll just go get it.